By meteorologist Damon Madsen with a check on the weather around the region.
Yes, Christmas fast approaching here, Damon, and it's looking a lot more festive.
It definitely is, and I can't believe it. A few days, we're already there, and what we want the most from Mother Nature, right? Some quiet weather, if we can get it. That'll make it easier for all of us out there, and so far, so good. On this Monday, we have had some calmer winds and a good bit of sunshine. Now, our view looking out toward Reagan, not quite as sunny as it was earlier in the day, as unfortunately, there are going to be a few curveballs, a few storm systems trying to drift toward us here and bring some unsettled weather this week. Now, as far as our temperatures go, again, we all pretty much made it up into the 40s at some point. Annapolis has already dropped back down to 39. Lexington Park already approaching the 30s as well. But all in all, it turned out decently comfortable, not quite as cold as what we started with early this morning, but also not quite on the warmer side of things just yet either. But at least the wind did back off, and what little bit of wind we saw today after how blustery it was on Sunday, that wind has been coming out of the south, helping to, try and bring up our temperatures just that little bit more as we head into the night. Now, we have clouds building in the sky. Like I mentioned, the majority of us are continuing to be dry, and as we look out toward the mountains, it's still relatively dry, but we're already getting some light returns on the radar here as, some precipitation is on its way. High pressure is slowly but surely retreating off to the east, and as that pulls away, this warm front out over Illinois and Indiana will nudge its way in, and it will produce a mixed bag of precipitation, just like what we're seeing right now up toward the Great Lakes, parts of western Pennsylvania and eastern Ohio. Greens, blues, pinks, all popping up there. And what we see in the DMV is ultimately going to depend on our temperatures as we head through the night tonight. Now, those 40s, as would be expected, they will drop back down into the 30s as we head into the night tonight. At 9 o'clock, we're all pretty much in the 30s, but look at where D.C. is at. Look at where many spots in Virginia, southern Maryland are at least a few degrees above freezing, and that's all we need to keep that precipitation from being anything other than rain. But if we look off to a few other locations to the north and west, Martinsburg, Winchester, creeping down toward that freezing mark. And it is more likely that while most of us stay in those upper 30s and away from the freezing mark all night, locations to the north and west of D.C. and I-95 have a chance of dropping down to that freezing mark as precipitation rolls in just after midnight. So yes, we are dry for the next several hours, but look what happens as we head toward 1, 2 a.m. That light precipitation begins, and while it's mostly rain, we have these pinks on the map. A little mixing there of some wet snowflakes, some sleet, and perhaps even some freezing drizzle. Could be possible out toward Hagerstown, Martinsburg, and Cumberland, but down toward D.C., nothing of the sort is expected, just a light rainfall. And even for those that do see sleet and maybe a few wet snowflakes, nothing is expected to stick. And as a matter of fact, that light precip, it'll be long gone by 8 to 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then we're drying out and clearing out the rest of the day Tuesday. And then it will be warm as we head through Christmas. Highs in the 50s, a few showers around on Christmas Day, but nothing that we have to worry about. And then we're keeping our eye on Friday. Right now it looks warm with a bit of rain, but that could change. So we'll definitely continue to watch that here over the next few days.